Get in, loser, we're going shopping. Hi, Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day, back again with another video for y'all, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. Your girl just got her first MacBook. You hear me? You feel me? My first MacBook ever, and we're gonna unbox it together. I'm excited. I've been waiting to do this all day, so I'm gonna hurry up and get to it. Before we get started, I just want to point out that I'm not tech savvy whatsoever, so if I don't know what I'm talking about, because I don't know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and start the video and open it because I'm super excited. First, I want to open this because it's my case, and I just want to show y'all the case really quick before I open the actual computer. So my mom got me a case. Thank you, Mom. Appreciate it. She got me this clear case from Amazon, and I just wanted to show y'all really quick. So I didn't open it, but basically it looks like this, and it's just a clear, hard case to put over my computer. My computer is gold. The color's gold, but it actually looks like rose gold pink. So that's why I got clear, because it's cute color. Like, why would I try to cover it up? So I just got clear, and it is like pretty hard, but it's like plastic too, if that makes sense. So it's still like good for protection, but it's not like too hard, if that makes sense. So yeah, she got me this case, and I'm gonna put it on there once I open the computer. So I got it from Apple, and they sent it to me like this. It came from UPS, so it just came in this brown box. I went ahead and opened it, but I didn't open like the actual computer box. So as you can see, like as soon as you open it, you see the MacBook Air sign right here. So I'm just gonna pull it out, and it didn't have like any other stuffing or anything in there. This is just kind of how it came. And it looks like this. Looks like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and rip this off so that we can open the actual computer. And then I'm just gonna rip the paper off, literally rip it off and throw it on the floor. So now it's time to open the actual box. I guess I don't need these. I feel like the angels are singing because I'm so excited. I've always wanted a MacBook. This is my very first MacBook. I'm so happy, so blessed, so thankful that I'm even able to purchase this, because a lot of people, they not able. So thank you. Oh my God, it's so cute. I can't, y'all. It's so cute, and it's so me. Like, this is me. Like, this is my, look. And it's pinker in person. Like, it looks really dull and like gold bronzy looking on camera, but it's actually a lot pinker in person. It's super cute. Oh my gosh. Like, so it has like a protective covering on it, and I'm just lifting it, and the computer slides right out. And then in here, it's just like your charger. Under the computer is just like your charger and the cord to it and everything right under it. And so I'm just gonna take the paper off. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Like, oh my God. It's so slim. Like, look at that. It's so slim, like. Okay, and then it has like a protective like little paper covering for the glass screen. And it looks like that. It automatically turned on. I didn't press anything. But the keyboard looks like this. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so much. Like, the black. Oh. Look at it. Look at it turned on. Like, do you see me? You see me.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Who got a Mac? Who got a Mac? I did. Period. Like, period. I am in there, like, stepping right now, stepping. But this is pretty much how it looks. I'm gonna set everything up as far as like setting up the actual like computer. I'm gonna do that once the video is over. But I just wanted to show y'all exactly what it looks like, unbox it with y'all, share this experience with y'all, because this is an experience. This is my first one, like my first. And it's just like, I never thought that I'd be able to like do stuff like this. And it may seem simple to some people who like your parents are able to do that for you. Like, you're blessed. I'm trying to tell you, you're blessed. Like, I just never thought that I would be able to have my own Mac or my own, you know what I'm saying? So when you get those things, like things that you never would imagine that you would have, it's such a big deal. It's such a big celebration. Don't let nobody take that from you. Like, I'm excited, I'm celebrating, and nobody can take that from me, period. Because I'm living right now, stepping with my MacBook, period. So yeah, I'm gonna close it for now, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all the size. They really don't have that many, it doesn't have that many ports. It has 2 ports right here. I'm assuming one for the charger and maybe one for like a USB. And then the other side, it has like a headphone port, if y'all see that, the little circle. But other than that, it doesn't have anything. This is the USB cable for the charger, and I guess like to connect your phone to the computer. And then this right here is instructions for the MacBook. And then in this top part right here, this is that cube so that you can connect it to this and put it in the wall. And that's literally all that it came with. Yeah, the box is literally empty. So that's all that it came with. So I'm just gonna put this back in for the time being. Put everything back in the box. But I am about to set up my MacBook because I actually have some schoolwork that I have to do. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the video. I just wanted to share this experience with y'all. I wanted to unbox it on camera. And that is pretty much it. Also, I'm not tech savvy, but I told my friend that I got this MacBook or whatever, and she got really hype about the M1 chip or whatever. So apparently I wanted to mention that this computer does have the M1 chip. She got really excited because she knows like more so about tech stuff, and she was just saying that that was a really good thing because it's new to Apple or whatever. But yeah, the computer has the M1 chip. If you guys know what that is, I don't. I'm not really that tech savvy. You know, as long as it works, as long as the internet works or whatever, then I'm fine. But yeah, it has an M1 chip. So that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, you will be notified. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.